Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how you can reset your Windows 10 and wipe everything, or you can keep the files also. If you are selling your laptop or desktop that you are using and don't want any files or pictures remaining on that PC, you can do this. Or if your laptop or desktop is very slow, you can also do this. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the Start menu and search for Settings option, which is on top of Power option. Go to Settings, and in Settings page, go to Update and Security. Now here on the left side of the screen, you can see many options. You have to go to the Recovery option. So click on Recovery. So the first topic on Recovery option is Reset this PC. So to start the reset process, you have to click on Get Started. Now Windows is giving us two options: to keep our files while resetting or remove everything. First option is useful for those whose PC is lagging and it's very slow. First option removes all the apps and settings but keeps you all of your files and photos. And the second option, if you are selling your laptop or don't want anything or want to make your Windows 10 like new without any files or any apps, choose the second option. And if you are selling your Windows 10 laptop or PC, second option is best for you. Now you will get two options. You can choose to download the installation file from cloud, or if you have it in your device, choose the second option, local reinstall. So I'm going to choose local reinstall, and the current settings for the reset process is it will remove all apps and files. It will not clean the drive. And if you are selling the PC, you have to change this setting. So to do that, click on Change Setting. So I'm going to choose Delete Files from all drives. Now hit Confirm, and again click on Next. So this is the last step to reset your PC. You can read the information what changes will happen after resetting your PC. So after you click on reset, the reset process will start. This is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you guys, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.